Hey guys, what's going on? This is Ben, and I'm here today to unbox and give you my initial impressions of the Spigen ThinFit Pro case for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. I got this in the mail yesterday, so let's see what we got here. Cool, huh? Spigen case for the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and it's supposed to be compatible with the keyboard as well. So let's dive in and see what's going on with this thing. Oops. I don't have the standing protective cover or case that Samsung makes, but this is a good alternative to that. And this one allows you to use the keyboard with the case on. Let's pull up the instructions here. Okay, looks pretty simple. I had to back the camera way up to capture all of the tablet in the frame because it's so big, but it just goes in like so. Wait. Ooh. What did I do? I did something wrong here. Because I know that this strap goes over the front of it. Let me do this a little bit slower here. Okay. Goes in just like that. You just push it in a little bit. Oh, that's cool. At the bottom is totally open so that you can put the keyboard on there. And when you're not using the keyboard, it's got this cool thing here. You just snap this in. Like so. When you're not using the keyboard. And this holds the tablet for tablet mode. Pretty cool, huh? Whoa, Spigen did it again. Uh-oh, what did I do? You gotta really make sure that it lines up properly. But it just goes in like this. It's going to be a pain to be taking this thing off and on. whenever you're not using the keyboard. But it's cool that they put something out like this so that you can use the keyboard with the case on. There it goes. There. Now, this is for tablet mode. Pretty cool. Doesn't look like it lined up too well. Maybe it's just me, but see where the S Pen cutout here is? Doesn't seem like it lined up too well, but see, then you're supposed to put this little strap thing over here to hold it on. Seems pretty sturdy. It didn't look like it was going to be too sturdy, but it is. And then if you want to use the keyboard, you just leave the case on. You just pop this little thing off here. Now that I got it on there. Just pop that off. And then let me get the keyboard. Keyboard goes on like so. And then you got your stand, just like the case for that's made by Samsung. So that's pretty cool, I think. You got to figure out what you're going to do with this piece though. But it serves its purpose. Doesn't obstruct the keyboard at all. And voila. This is the Spigen Thin Fit Pro case for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Pretty cool. I love Spigen stuff. Spigen's really got it figured out. I like how they integrated the case with the keyboard. That's really cool. And then when you don't want the case or the keyboard on there, you just do it like this. And then you pop this piece back in. It's a little clunky, but you know, for what it does, it serves its purpose very well. There, see, like that. Not bad, huh? I just don't like this little thing that hangs over here. This is supposed to keep everything together, and it blocks part of the screen though. So that's a bummer. I don't know, guys. I give it maybe an 8 out of 10. So if you want to pick this up, it's available through Amazon, and it cost me $49.99 for just this case part. Doesn't include the keyboard. The keyboard was separate, but that's it. It's not too bad, huh? Alright, well, we'll see how this works over the next few days. I'll keep this on here and see how it works, and I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.